What's going on, repair gang? In today's video, we're actually working on a power trowel, a concrete power trowel or a concrete finisher. So I'm going to show you guys that. We're going to do a full service. We're also going to fix the throttle cable. It has a little issue. I'm going to show you all that, but first I just need to gather my tools up for the job. Should be an 8mm, 10mm, a Phillips screw, pliers, and field clamps. Once I get all that, we'll get to the power trowel. Okay, here's the machine. One of the things we got to fix is this throttle. I believe we can just cut some of this up here at the top here and make it, see, it's loose. That's from a different mechanic, but just see it has a lot of garbage in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the carburetor. We're also going to change the oil on this, and we'll remove the spark plug, see if it needs to be changed. More than likely we'll just give it a change, but the very first thing we got to do is blow off all this stuff. So I got one of these Bauer blowers here. Really good machine, just to clean it up and get ready to work on it. I don't want none of this stuff falling in while I'm working on it. Now real quick, let's make sure it is an actual carburetor issue. We're gonna turn the switch on to on. We're gonna put it like open choke. We're gonna spray some starting fluid in there, and then we're gonna pull it over and see if it pops. Okay, that's not a good sign that it's not starting. So what I'll do now is inspect the switch, and if you look right here, let me remove this clip here. Make sure all the wires are intact. Everything looks good. If we see this yellow, that's low oil sensor. Let's disconnect that and we'll see if it starts again. It does have oil. Still no good. So now we're going to check for spark. We'll reconnect this and I'll go get the spark plug tester. Okay, we're going to look, see if we got spark. I think I found the problem. So we're going to take this off first. That felt cross-threaded. Shouldn't be that tight, but that's fine. Just going slow because it feels cross-threaded. I hope it's not, but I think the problem is up top actually. So let's check, see if we got the spark. I don't have the spark plug tester. Spark plug does look very good. So we got it on here. We're just gonna hold it. Oh no, I don't know if you guys can see that. We are getting spark. So if we're getting spark, why is she not starting with starting fluid? Threads look great. Let's go ahead and clean the carburetor anyways, since we are getting spark. Okay, removing the carburetor is a fairly simple process. We got a 10mm nut there, 10mm nut there. Turn the choke on and the fuel off. Oh, we got one more on the top. That was loose too. And that should come right off. Just like that. Followed by a gasket. Can't break this one, it's a hard one. And now we gently pull out the carburetor. It's gonna open up the gas line. Better clamp that down, we filled it with gas. Oh shoot, the gas light probably needs to be replaced. Well, that's not gonna clamp good enough. can't get a better grip. Just temporarily. No, we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to drain it. Let me remove the carburetor while I got it slow. Got a broken gasket on that side. This fuel line's cracked. I guess it's just gonna go right back in the gas tank. He said it was fresh gas, so let me get a bottle. Okay, let's see if we can't fix this throttle system here. So let's undo it. It's already loose. I want to pull it back. Let's see what moves when I pull it. I think what I got to do is undo this a little bit. And once I undo that a little bit, I should be able to pull this and see if it comes free. But if not, we could probably just cut it and readjust it. So for now, I just removed the throttle cable and make it where it's manual throttle. I tighten this down. And then once I order a new throttle cable, we can put it on. But for now, it could be manual throttle. It's a little bit pain in the ass, but it works. Throttle cable is too badly damaged. Let's get this machine running. That's what we're here for. Very simple to clean the carburetor on this. It's a Honda style carburetor. 10mm there. You can use a 10mm to remove the fuel, just to look at it, make sure it looks good. And then spray some carburetor cleaner around every orifice, flathead to take out the jet. So let's clean this up and then get back to you. Okay, I went through all the jets and everything, so let's put this carburetor back on and see if we got a machine. That way we know if we need to replace everything we can, but I want to make sure it's fixed first. So we'll see if this fuel line is going to be a problem. It looks like the crack goes over the spot, so they'll save the customer some money. But we'll go ahead and put the whole carburetor assembly back on. I gotta go wash my hands. I got carburetor cleaner starting to burn a little bit. Wear gloves. And then once I get it all back assembled, we'll try it out. Still need to order a throttle cable and change the oil though. Fuel line could not be saved, so I had to remove the gas tank. 2 10s down here, 2 10 bolts up there. And that should allow you to... Oh, look, that bolt's a little bent there. Budge. See if we can't get it off. There we go. Got the gas tank on. So let's replace that fuel line and put this whole thing back together, see if it runs. Okay, brand new fuel line replaced. Here's the old fuel line. I believe there's another piece somewhere. It's all split up over there. So yeah, new fuel line on. Now we can put the gas tank back on. A few 10mm. This bolt goes here. And yeah, once we get it back on, we're gonna put it back together and see what's up. Okay, here we go. Okay, I poured a little glass in the cylinder when I took the spark plug out to clean it. Let's see if it starts. Let it warm up a bit. Thing hasn't been ran in years. So let's idle. Trying to get it right. Oh boy. Oh, that thing I lost control of that real quick, didn't I? Okay guys, we got it running. Last thing to do is oil change, 10mm right there. Let's get it done. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Job well done. Other than a throttle cable, which I probably have at home at my graveyard, I'm gonna look at that. Customer is very happy, making $120, probably another 20 bucks for the throttle cable. But all in all, it's exhausting, but we got it done. I'm thinking about going live today, so you won't see this video today, but if you see me live, it's because I went live. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.